If you have ever watched a spill happen in slow motion and felt your stomach drop, you already know why this machine exists. Some messes simply cannot wait, and this tool was built for exactly those moments. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. I am here to help you make informed decisions on products that genuinely deliver on their promises. Today, we are examining the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Model 1400B. This compact cleaning machine has earned its reputation as America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning, trusted by over 7 million households across the country. It is designed for anyone dealing with stubborn stains on carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and various fabric surfaces. If you need a practical, affordable solution that handles real-life messes without the expense of professional cleaning services, this review will help you decide whether it belongs in your home. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Reason number 1. Proven deep cleaning performance that actually works. This is not surface-level spot cleaning. The Bissell Little Green uses a spray, scrub, and suction system that penetrates deep into fabric fibers to lift embedded dirt, stains, and odors effectively. Unlike paper towels or standard cleaners that simply push the mess around, this machine extracts contaminants from beneath the surface, where they actually reside. It is scientifically proven to remove over 100 common household stains, from coffee and wine to pet accidents. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this machine delivers visible results immediately after use. Reason number 2. Large tank capacity for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The 48-ounce clean water tank is surprisingly generous for a portable unit of this size. This means you can tackle multiple areas or larger messes without constantly stopping to refill. Whether you are cleaning an entire sofa or detailing your vehicle's interior, the extended capacity keeps you moving efficiently through your cleaning tasks without frustrating interruptions. Reason number 3. Compact design that is genuinely portable. Weighing just under 10 pounds, the Little Green is remarkably easy to carry from room to room, upstairs, or out to your vehicle whenever needed. Its compact dimensions allow for convenient storage in closets, under sinks, or in small apartments where space is limited. This true portability makes it ideal for quick-response cleaning when accidents happen unexpectedly. Reason number 4. Specialty tools designed for versatile cleaning applications. This model includes exclusive specialty tools designed to handle different surfaces and stain types with precision. The 3-inch Tough Stain tool is perfect for concentrated problem areas, while the standard nozzle covers broader surfaces efficiently. These thoughtful attachments extend the machine's usefulness beyond carpets to stairs, upholstery, mattresses, pet beds, and automotive interiors. Reason number 5. Triple action formula that eliminates odors permanently. Bissell's proprietary cleaning formula does not merely mask unpleasant smells. It eliminates them completely. The ultra-powerful triple-action formula permanently removes stains while neutralizing odors at their source. This capability is particularly valuable for pet owners or households with young children where accidents occur frequently and lasting freshness truly matters. Reason number 6. Exceptional long-term value compared to alternatives. Professional carpet cleaning services can cost hundreds of dollars per visit, and those costs accumulate quickly over time. The Little Green offers a fraction of that expense with results that often match or exceed professional outcomes for targeted spot cleaning. Over time, this investment pays for itself repeatedly, making it one of the most practical cleaning tools you can own. Reason number 7. Every purchase supports a meaningful cause. Beyond its impressive cleaning performance, there is genuine purpose behind this product. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, and every purchase contributes directly to their mission of helping save homeless pets. It is a thoughtful touch that aligns your buying decision with genuine good in the world. Now for my balanced assessment. The Bissell Little Green is not a full-size carpet cleaner, and it will not replace whole room machines for deep seasonal cleaning of entire floors. The dirty water tank is smaller than the clean water tank, so you may need to empty it more frequently during larger cleaning jobs. These are reasonable limitations for a portable machine at this price point. However, for targeted stain removal, upholstery maintenance, and automotive detailing, it delivers exceptional results in a compact, affordable package. This machine is best suited for homeowners, renters, pet owners, parents, and anyone who values clean living spaces without ongoing professional service costs. If this feels like the right fit for your household, the link is waiting in the description and pinned comment below. Take your time, read additional reviews if helpful, and make the decision that works best for your situation. Thank you for watching Buy with Confidence.